We listen, we don't judge.
One time I kissed my boyfriend at school.
We listen, we don't judge.
Me and my boyfriend did sus things.
We listen, we don't judge.
I actually kissed my boyfriend one time.
We listen, we don't judge.
I'm making a present for my boyfriend.
We listen, we don't judge.
My dad and mom loves that I have a crush.
We listen, we don't judge.
My boyfriend actually likes me back.
We listen, we don't judge.
Isabella wants my boyfriend, but I'm not making that happen.
We listen, we don't judge. Like and subscribe, guys, or else I'm going to your house.